Do you know that feeling as if there is a knot in your stomach? Or sometimes it feels more like your stomach is turning around uncomfortably. Maybe that feeling even moves up into your chest and throat, and it feels as if there's a block somewhere. A lot of people describe this sensation as a feeling of anxiety. Other comfortable emotions can feel exactly like this too. Overwhelming sadness, for example, or stress, or anger. Emotions always translate into a physical sensation in the body. It doesn't just exist in the mind. We can feel it. Today I would like to invite you to play and to explore how you could change the way you feel an emotion by changing the physical sensation you experience. Some people call this technique I'm introducing to you today spinning emotions or spinning feelings. And it may sound a bit weird at first, what I'm going to describe, or at least unusual, but it is very useful to transform uncomfortable feelings like anxiety, sadness, or anger and turn them into something you would prefer to experience instead. My name is Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I am helping people to overcome anxiety and restore their happiness with ease and confidence. So, when you're ready, let's begin. First of all, I would like you to become aware of that certain feeling you would like to change. And if you just feel fine right now, that's great. But for the purposes of playing, remember a time where you felt, let's say, anxious. And take your time. Dip your toe into that feeling as you remember it. You will somewhat notice that feeling somewhere in your body. Just become aware of it and its location in your body. And when you have it, take a moment to rate the feeling on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the most horrible feeling, 1 being fine, feeling basically nothing. Take note of that rating of yours. Have it? Great. So let's explore as you have found the location of that feeling. Perhaps it's in the stomach or chest or throat. Does it move? Does it maybe move up to your chest, to your throat, to your head? Does it move down? Is it all over the place? Which direction does it take? Does it move? Does it spin? If it spins, how does it spin? Does it spin clockwise or the other way around? Become aware of the movement it takes and allowing yourself just to feel that feeling. And imagine now, if it could have any color, what color would that feeling have? Allowing it just to be there, keep it spinning, being aware of that movement, the direction it takes, and the color. And so now let's go a step further and imagine you could take that feeling and move it out of your body, holding it in front of you as if you're holding a ball maybe, a colorful ball. And look at it as it spins in that specific color. And now let me ask you, how would you rather feel? Calmer, more peaceful, excited maybe, happy, confident? And what color would that feeling have? Take your time to find it. And now let's change that original feeling you are holding in your hands. Transform that color into the color of calm, peace, confidence, or whichever feeling you would prefer to experience. And hold it still in front of you, looking at it as it transforms the color. Very good. And now notice you could also change the direction of how it spins and just turn it into the opposite direction. There it is, a different color, different feeling, a different direction. Would you prefer to have that experience in your body? Okay, so let it back in as it is, a new color, a new direction, a new movement, a new feeling. Take it back fully and allow it to spread all the way through you. Allow it to grow as you feel this new feeling fully. How does it feel now? More soothing, relaxing, joyful? Enjoy this feeling as it continues to grow even more. Okay, now, when you think of that uncomfortable feeling from the beginning, can you notice a shift? And rate it again from 1 to 10, becoming aware of how it changed, or maybe it even disappeared completely. And now, let's test this new experience. Think of a time or a situation in the future where you might have felt anxious or angry or sad in the past. Become aware of your wonderful, colorful feeling inside that took over just a moment ago. And notice how you can have a different experience now. And don't worry if you still feel some leftovers of that old feeling. That's okay. You can just repeat the process we did together, noticing whereabouts that feeling is, how it moves, what color it has. And then you can take it out of your body if you like and look at it. Switch the direction into its opposite, transforming the color into a color you would prefer seeing, a color that represents a different feeling. A feeling of calm, peace, happiness, whatever you choose. And then bring it back into your body. Do it as often as needed or as you like. And you can use it, of course, for any situation you would prefer to feel differently. So let's say, for example, you have an interview coming up. And that interview, of course, is important for you and you feel nervous about it. Play around with that feeling. Change the color, the movement, internalize it. See how different you can feel about that upcoming interview. This is just one playful way for you to take back control. Enjoy the feeling. Enjoy feeling different, better, able to change the way you feel when you want or need it. So I hope this was useful for you, and if you like that video, give it a like. If you want to see more uploads and stay updated, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share it with people you know who might benefit from those videos. And for now, have a lovely day, play, explore yourself, and we speak soon. Bye for now.